Need to assign available stock to a new client or project? IntoAEC makes it fast and efficient with the Add from Inventory feature. Head over to your group's Items page and click on the Add Items button. From the menu, select Add from Inventory. This opens a smart side panel where you can browse, filter, and search items across your inventory. Use category filters, subcategories, or the search bar to locate the exact product you need. You can even choose between My Products and Clipped Products. Found what you're looking for? Select one or multiple items using the checkboxes and click Next to continue. On the review screen, enter the quantity you need for each item. Just make sure it doesn't exceed what's in stock. Once done, hit Add to push these items into the group. Your selected items will now appear in the group's inventory table. Each entry shows item name, quantity, rate, usage, and source. From here, you can perform powerful actions like Move to Inventory Convert to Expenses Update, Expense, or delete the item. Need to return items back to Central Inventory. Click Move to Inventory. Select how much you're moving and hit Yes. Want to log items as a project cost? Click Convert to Expenses, pick a payment type like cash or bank transfer, and confirm. Need to modify cost or quantity? Use Update Expense. Want to remove an item? Hit Delete and confirm the action. And that's it. Add, manage, or move stock within projects right from your existing inventory. Fast, flexible, and always in control with IntoAEC.